Hi friends, today we will discuss about sinter basicity and its impact on blast furnace productivity. In case of low basicity sinter, say 1.7. Firstly, it is less stable at high temperature. Secondly, having lower reducibility. Thirdly, more RDI and more fines generation. Fourth, lesser TI and slightly weaker. Fifth, early softening, lower melting temperature, wider cohesive zone. Next, cohesive zone shifts downward, become wider, reduced gas flow and higher delta pressure. More acidic, higher viscosity, may retain FeO in slag. Needs more coke rate higher. Reduced hot metal productivity, reduced throughput, operationally less stable. On the other hand, sinter having basicity 1.9 to 2.3. Firstly, it is stronger and stable at high temperature. Secondly, having higher reducibility, better gas utilization. Thirdly, lower RDI and less fines generation. Improved permeability. Fourth, more TI, thus higher mechanical strength, less degradation during burden descent. Fifth, higher softening, melting temperature. Narrow cohesive zone improves gas flow and heat transfer. Next, cohesive zone stays narrower and higher. Good gas flow and lower delta pressure. Balanced CaO by SiO2. Lower viscosity, better desulfurization, slag easy to tap, and more fluid. Next, less coke consumption, energy efficiency high. Next, improved throughput, more productivity, more stable operation, smooth running. Hope you understood. In case of any doubt, please feel free to comment. Thank you.